saying that he loves your level of care and compassion for others, both people and animals. James then said that he also loves your smile.
Oh, wow.
And finally, James says that he loves your adventurous spirit and your yearning for the great outdoors.
Dear Fiona, Smoochie, happy ever after. I'm so excited to be marrying you today. I feel so lucky to have found you. And I can't wait to share the rest of our lives together in all the happiness and adventure that it brings. All my love, James. Oh, that's really sweet.
Fiona told me it's that she loves your positivity. You can always find the positive, even in hard times.
Oh, no.
She loves that you're always up for an adventure and that you're a big kid at heart. Fiona fully expects that you'll both be going to theme parks and surfing well into your 80s.
Winning life, mate.
Yeah. James, today I get to call you my husband. I feel so lucky I get to marry you today. You really do light up my life, and I'm so lucky to have met such a funny, intelligent, handsome and talented man. I love how we laugh. I love our adventures, and I can't wait for this next adventure with you. We've had such an amazing 4 years together, and I can't wait to spend our lifetime together. You truly are the one, and I am yours. All my love, Fiona.
No, it's all good. It's just very emotional. Big day, man. Oh, you look stunning.
Oh, thank you.
Amazing.
Both okay? Yeah.
I, Fiona, accept you, James, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded husband.
Correct. I, James, accept you, Fiona, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded wife.
That's it.
All right, Rob.
You've tied the knot, and it's my pleasure to declare you married and pronounce you husband and wife.
When the one whose hand you're holding is the one who holds your heart. When the one whose eyes you gaze into gives your hopes and dreams their start. When the one you think of first and last is the one who holds you tight, and the things you plan together make the whole world seem just right. When the one whom you believe in puts their faith and trust in you, you found the one and only love you'll share your whole life through.
Fiona, I love you. You are the rock in my life, my support system and my best friend, and I promise to be there for you whatever the future holds. I'm so excited to embark on this next chapter of our lives together, as I know in my heart we have a lifetime of happiness and adventure ahead of us.